We want to get right to the latest on the coronavirus emergency. The virus is continuing to spread. Overnight, more than 600 new cases reported, bringing the worldwide total to more than 83,000. It is now in 54 countries. Major events in Asia and Europe either canceled or closed to the public in an effort to stem this spread.
And here in the U.S., a lot of focus is being put this morning in Northern California, where officials are trying to figure out how a woman contracted the virus with no known exposure to it. That's a big deal. Also, explosive allegations from a whistleblower this morning, claiming more than a dozen people sent to receive the first Americans returning from Wuhan did not have proper training or protective gear.
And all this has rocked financial markets around the world, the worst sell-off on Wall Street since the financial crisis in 2008. Growing fears the virus could tip economies into recession. So we want to begin with Rebecca Jarvis at the New York Stock Exchange. Good morning, Rebecca.
Good morning, George. We are looking at another day of extreme volatility. Stocks opened just moments ago with the Dow down more than 600 points. And this week alone, stocks have now wiped out nearly $3.5 trillion in value. This morning, stocks in the midst of their worst week since the financial crisis. The Dow plunging more than 3,200 points in just 4 days. After hitting record highs just last week, stocks are now down nearly 11%. Meaning the typical 401k, which ended last year over $112,000, dropped by more than $12,000 in just the last few days. Goldman Sachs predicting that the biggest companies in the U.S. may not grow at all this year because of the coronavirus. The ripple effects across many industries. Companies that rely on travel like Marriott and United Airlines warning the outbreak will negatively affect their business, while others like Nike and Apple say factories shuttered in China have delayed production. Facebook canceling a major conference, and America's largest private company, Cargill, joining a growing list of firms banning travel for employees. And Wall Street is trying to answer the same question as all of us. How severe and how long lasting will this coronavirus and its effects be? And not having an answer can produce the same economic consequences as having an answer that's bad. There is a ripple effect here, and that is what you're seeing reflected in both the stock market and eventually in the real economy. Cecilia?
Yeah, a lot of nerves out there.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.